foot. Hard right, because they're gonna drop down and they can shoot at us. Parker, all right, Parker, you go far right, because that's gonna give you distance. Richard, go far right. Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Everybody. Jada. Jada.
Oh. Hey.
Sorry, Timbo, I didn't hear you. Woo!
Yeah, I got him.
Good hit.
Looks like there's one more.
Right side, right side, right side. Right side, Brody.
Where's Freddy?
I go up right side. I'm gonna go left.
Where is he?
Up top, right side. I got Dustin's right next to him, right side. You destroyed that brush right in front of me.
I know, I seen you last second. I warned you.
What's up?
What's Dustin?
Dustin's up top somewhere.
You don't fall back. Make a left and go up. That's it. Go up.
Let me push hard left, you go straight.
Ready?
Yeah, so I'll call it. Ready? Seriously, Dustin?
I was right there. I was slowly falling into the mud.